This is how I roast catfish most times when I want to use dry fish in my meals and I don't have dry fish available in the house. Okay, so for those of us in the diaspora or those of us even within that doesn't know how to source their dry fish and they have access to dry fish, this video is for you. Okay, because here you will learn exactly how to roast your dry fish perfectly the way it is in the market. Okay, so I'm giving you market standard today. So if you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Checks. Okay, just chill, grab your popcorn and let's try this catfish together. So you want to start by washing your catfish very well. Catfish can be so slimy, guys, just like snails. Okay, you won't blame them, something that have lived in the water for all their lives. So it is always very slimy. That's what I don't like about them, but we have to eat them. What an intro, guys. But it is what it is, guys. So no matter how I wash my catfish, it will always appear slimy in my hand. So this is me taking an extra step after washing it with lime, salt and all what. I am still going ahead to soak it into very hot water. So that's what I'm doing here right now. I'm just pouring hot water over it and I'm gonna cover it and leave it for a while. That way all those sliminess on the body will come out easy. Okay, while our fish is soaked, let's go ahead and prepare the sauce that we are going to use to roast this. It is very simple step. Okay, it doesn't need much ingredients, just basic things. Okay, so the first thing we need is our very fresh oil. You need oil that is very sweet, okay, so that it don't go ahead and contaminate your fish for you. Here I have my ehuru, I have my dry pepper, I have my salt to taste, and I have a cube of Maggi. Now I am going to mix everything in a bowl. Starting with the dry ingredients, I'm going to mix everything and bring it to a sweet sauce. So you go ahead and use that sauce that you've just prepared to rub on your fish. Make sure you use it to coat every single part of this fish. Okay, but first of all, let's just admire this fish, guys. I'll start by patting it dry. The fish is now clean and very strong in the hands of, like, that hot water did some magic on it. Don't miss it. Okay, if you want to wash your fish very clean, make sure you did that extra step. So after patting it dry, making sure there's no water left in, I'll go ahead and start rubbing in those sauce that I prepared. Make sure you use it to cover every part of the fish. This is 15 minutes after roasting this fish on a medium heat. Okay, we are not done yet. Okay, I just brought it out so that I can like flip it on the other side and check if I need to apply more sauce or not, and then put it right back in the oven. Remember, what we are trying to achieve is a dry fish, so you're gonna repeat this process as many times as possible until you get a very dry fish, depending on your taste. Me, most times I don't usually dry it to be like too dry for two reasons, guys. I'm watching my gas, and secondly, I like my fish a little bit soft and moist, right? So, but in this process that I'm sharing with you guys, I dried it twice. So you can do as many times as you wish, like I said earlier. And at the end of the day, you have your market standard mangala, like market standard dry fish that you can use for all your meals and soups. I hope this video will help someone. I hope someone will come back to testify as always. Okay, let me know if you're able to do this, and let me know if this video is helpful in the real sense of it. And until next time, guys, I remain Checks, and see you all in my next video. Bye.